Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dylan. This is the Rideshare Hub. No, this is not clickbait. Somebody hacked into my Uber account and I was actually watching another YouTuber's name, Sarah Elizabeth. She is another partner at Solo and she's also a YouTuber. And she had some things to say as well about other YouTubers being targeted basically. So Uber, I don't know what it is. I've also heard so many other just people with similar stories who have been hacked into, their accounts been deactivated and hacked into. So I'm gonna show you exactly what happened to me and basically, you know, my plan on getting my account back. I've been on the phone with Uber support for hours. I'm not gonna bore you with those. I did record the footage, but I'm not even gonna post that because it's literally so boring and it's so frustrating. I mean, let me know if you want me to release the footage, release the screenshots. But yeah, let's get started. Firstly, I wanna thank our sponsor, Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a company that pays drivers up to $100 extra per month. They're just expanding basically nationwide now. So sign up with our link below to get your tablet sent to you in the mail, and you can start earning some extra money. Okay, so basically what happened was I got an email one day saying that somebody changed my email address on my Uber account. Let me bring this up. It said somebody, yeah, Dylan, your email address has been updated, basically, that's what it said. And I watched Sarah Elizabeth's video and hers said the same exact thing. Focus it for y'all. It just says somebody changed my email. It's a random email. Okay, no, sorry, that was my old one. Gosh, I got so many emails. I had to make a new account. This is what it was. This was the old one, or I guess the original one. The newer one, I basically had to create a new account, which then I realized was going to get me deactivated. Uber's support is such garbage. But look at this. Dylan, your email address has been updated. Your email address was changed. The email was on your account was recently changed to some random email. Gene Thompson, whoever the heck that is. And so, you know, I was able to basically go into my account. However, when I went in there to change the email, like something weird happened basically where they sent my code. They sent the code to the email to change my email. Then they got a code basically. And then they changed my phone number on the account to some random phone number. So now my email and my phone number is wrong. And then at that point, I couldn't log into my account at all. And I was like, well, that's effed up. All my home address is in there. I have all my details in there, my payment card info. You can't really see the numbers, it's kind of hidden, but you can see the last 4 digits. I mean, I don't want some random hacker knowing that. I mean, he got into my account somehow. He knows my address. And I'm like, Uber doesn't, I called Uber and they said like, they're talking as if this happens every day. They're like, oh, so sorry to hear about that. And I talked to them on the phone for hours, and basically I ended up making a new account. They sent me a link to make a new account, and then I had 2 accounts, and I'm like, well, you get deactivated on duplicate accounts. So basically, sorry, it's too bright. It's early in the morning. Basically, what happened was they were able to change my email and account, but the phone number is still not even my phone number. And it's like, well, what if I go out and make money? Are they gonna change the payment details? Like, so they get paid? Because they still obviously have access to that account. So I'm gonna probably try to go to Uber Green support, and Uber Green, whatever the F they're called. I'm so frustrated with Uber. Uber is like such a joke. Like, you know, my whole payment, my whole information just got leaked, and who knows who it was. But obviously, you know, this chick, Sarah Elizabeth, she had the same thing happen to her. And I was watching her video and I'm like, this is literally word for word what happened to me. and she said like 6 other YouTubers got hacked as well. Like, she literally said other YouTubers. But honestly, I think it's just happening to a lot of people, and YouTubers are obviously the only ones, you know, who are speaking out because they have YouTube channels, so we probably just don't even know. But look at this. This is the screenshot she got. Literally, you guys saw what I just pulled up. It's like exactly what happened to me. The email was changed. Yeah, to some random email. And, you know, I'm not gonna play the whole video for you guys, but I think this was another person who, oh no. Sorry, I don't know what this one is, but yeah, like, this is another email I guess she got. They changed it again, maybe. So it's like, these hackers are, I mean, if you, like, if you're going to be driving for Uber, just know that, you know, you might get hacked into. All your information might get leaked to some hacker and some scammer, because this is happening regularly. This is happening a lot. This isn't just, oh, 1 or 2 people. And with Lyft, by the way, I've never had any issues with this. Like, I know people compare Uber and Lyft. Oh yeah, they're the same. Honestly, with Lyft, I've never had trouble with my account. With Uber, countless issues. And I've heard the same thing from other drivers. Please let me know if this is happening to you, or please let me know if this is happening to anybody else. We need to get to the bottom of this. And this is not cool. This is not cool at all. I mean, I'm the owner of this channel, the Rideshare Hub. We're talking about Uber and Lyft. I don't feel comfortable telling people to go sign up for Uber if, you know, their data might get leaked, or if their login info might get leaked, or they might get scammed. Maybe if you imagine you get scammed, you imagine somebody goes into your account and you got like 1,500 bucks in your account, and they change the payment info and deposit into their bank account. Like, that would be devastating. And you call up Uber support and they ain't doing jack SH for you. Anyways, I'm sorry to start off on this negative note, but it's just really, really frustrating. So I'm gonna end the video there. Please check out Play Octopus. It's a tablet company. If you are still a driver for Uber or Lyft, if you're an active driver, they will send you a free tablet when you use our link below. You'll get it fast-tracked to you anywhere in the country. Yeah, they used to be in Canada. They're just in the United States right now. So, and you can make up to 25 bucks a week or 100 bucks a month. And you just put the tablet in your car, your passengers play games. They don't even need to play games. As long as you have the tablet in your car, you're making money. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys are the best. Please stay safe out there, and yeah, think twice about drive for Uber, I guess. And maybe try Lyft, because I haven't heard any issues with Lyft. And I don't see any, you know, I don't see Uber making any statements about this or trying to really, you know, help drivers. So, and my account still, after hours on the phone, is still compromised. So, all right, guys, I'll talk to you soon.